Welcome to our channel. Today we're soaring through the skies in search of the ultimate drone. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a curious newcomer, this technology has captured our imaginations. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right drone can feel overwhelming. Fear not, fellow tech enthusiasts. We've combed through the latest models and innovations to bring you the definitive list. The top 5 best drones in 2024. From feature-packed powerhouses to budget-friendly wonders, we'll unveil the perfect drone to take your flying dreams to new heights. But that's not all. We'll also be putting these top contenders to the test with exclusive flight footage, revealing their strengths, weaknesses, and those hidden features that might surprise you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. Number 3. HoverAir X1. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro.